Kylie.
Is group work getting you down?
For you know more, here are some tools and strategies for common conflicts you might come across in group work. Since the task is to summarize the whole passage, let's skim through the whole thing now and then summarize it later.
Sorry, but I think it would be better if we read each paragraph and then summarize it after.
Huh?
What should she do in this scenario? Should she escalate or de-escalate?
Let's see what would happen if she chose to escalate. Sorry, but I don't think your method works at all. Like, doesn't it just not make sense, guys? You guys can trust me and my method, because I'm like kind of the smartest person on earth.
You're so weird.
What did you say to me? Pause. Okay, that got out of hand fast.
Yeah, let's see what would happen if she chose to de-escalate instead.
Okay, I see what you mean. That would also make sense. But, like, what do you guys think?
That's way better. In scenarios like this, where different group mates can have different opinions, when you share your own opinion, remember not to invalidate someone else's.
Deacon welcomes a diverse cohort, and different people might have different opinions or views because of their own experiences and background. That's great.
If there is a conflict, be curious. Don't let your ego get in the way. If possible, always ask for the opinion of the wider group.
In the end, compromise or decide via voting. And remember, if there's an escalation, always feel free to seek help from staff. With this question, I think the answer is 10 because 2 plus 2 is...
Huh?
Let's see the options. Wait, shouldn't they interrupt and correct now?
Well, let's see what would happen. And times 2 is... You okay?
Sorry, hang on.
What?
I don't think 2 plus 2 equals 5.
Oh, 2 plus 2. Sorry.
Are you serious?
Yeah, sorry. 2 plus 2 is 4. Sorry. Oh my god. Sorry.
Damn, they let anyone in university these days, huh?
What did you say to me? Yeah, actually, that's a little rude. What would happen if they waited?
Let's see.
Times 2 is 10. Okay, so that's 10.
Sorry, just wait a second. Can
Yeah,
you run
what's
me
up?
through the question again? Because I'm pretty sure it should be like 2 plus 2 equals 4. Multiplied by 2 should be 8.
8. Right. Yeah, no. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's right. Sorry.
Okay.
I see. Always wait until they finish and then ask them to repeat or explain their answer.
Yeah, it's important to avoid confrontation or belittling the other person, especially when you're trying to point out their mistake. Also, always remember to explain your answer and your reasoning.
Right. But what if the situation was a little more complex? Let's say it wasn't a straightforward answer and you were reading their essay and you don't like some of the things that are written down.
Well, there's a little thing called a compliment sandwich. Have you heard of it?
Sandwich? Where?
It's not real. It's a metaphorical sandwich where you sandwich a critique between two compliments.
I see.
For example, let's say I like their writing style and their vocabulary, but don't like their interpretation of a specific passage. What would you say?
I would say 1, I really like your tone. It really suits the style of the essay we're trying to write. And 2, however, with this passage here, I'd prefer this interpretation instead, as your interpretation might be a tiny bit irrelevant. And then 3, but I really like your choice of vocabulary here. It's so accurate and precise.
That's exactly right. Always remember, if you are unsure if they are correct or not, or the situation escalates, you can always call over teaching staff to seek their support.
I just had the best lunch ever, guys. The bunziokwa, so good.
Can't believe you like that instead of...
In this scenario, the conflict is not really work-related, but it is still a conflict nevertheless.
Let's see what she can do here. Well, I definitely think she should do B.
Well, let's see what would happen.
Nice. Speaking of food, I also like pho. I think pho is good as well.
Yeah, I guess they're both good. I suppose.
Yeah, anyway, so back to the project. What should we do now?
With interpersonal conflicts, which sometimes can be more major than this one, Always just be respectful and keep an open mind.
Don't let it get in the way of group work, and always be focused on your task at hand.
But if anything ever escalates or a teammate says something that's seriously concerning or offensive, again, always inform a staff member and seek their support.
Hold on, just for fun, can we see the other option?
Hit it.
Can't believe you like that instead of
What?
well, yeah, liking Bunzio guy is kind of lame.